Now, let's explore the transmission of light with different objects. So here I have this bag right over here, and here I have this wet wipe, and finally I have this cardboard. Well, let's explore the transmission of light. So here I have this bag, and I'm going to pass my hand through its back, and you can clearly see the image of my hand. You can clearly see my hand, as you can see. So what is actually happening? This bag is allowing all the light that is coming from my hand to pass through, so that's why you can see the image. As you can see, all the light that is coming from my hand is passing through so that you can see it. Well, what happens with this wet wipe, or you can even call it napkin? When I try to show my hand behind it, you can partially see the image of my hand. As you can see, you can partially see its image. And what is actually happening? Well, the light that is coming from my hand is not fully passing through. Some of them is passing through, and some of them is being blocked by these napkins, by these wet wipes. But in the case of this cardboard, when I show my hand behind it, you cannot see my hand. As you can see, you cannot see my hand totally. Well, this cardboard is blocking all the light that is coming from my hand, so that's why it is invisible and you cannot see the image of my hand. Well, let's explore the transmission of light in the dark. Now, I will have this back first of all, and I'm going to shine my flashlight toward it, and we're going to see the transmission of light. As you can see, all the light that is coming from my flashlight is passing through, so that's why we can see the flashlight, the light on the wall, as you can observe. All that light is being passed through. But now, in the case of this wet wipe, what happens? Let's explore it. I'm going to shine my flashlight toward it, and your light has actually passed through, but not all of them. Some of them has passed through, but not all of them. So that's why it is a translucent object. But now, in the case of this cardboard, what happens? Let's explore. I'm going to project it, and you cannot see anything. You cannot see anything. Because all of the light that is coming from my flashlight has been blocked by the cardboard, and you cannot see the image. It is still dark here, so that's why you cannot see. If you can observe, we as a human also opaque. We would block all of the light that is coming to us. Even if I point it to me, all of the light has been blocked, so that's why you cannot see the image, you cannot see the flashlight rays on the wall. So that was the transmission of light, opaqueness, translucency, and transparency. Always stay tuned for light experiments and stay tuned for more science.